Here is how you can download and install a new font for Final Cut Pro. So if you go to Google and you search the font name that you want to download, so I'll put basic commercial font free download. Now you want to be careful with some of these websites, as a lot of times they'll take you to some kind of scam website. I should click on it and see if I can download it. This looks like it's working. So download this font. And there we go, download basic commercial. So it looks like it's working, it's downloading. So I'll just click I just want to download. Hit allow. Now it's downloaded. So now if you go up to search, you can type font book. I already have this downloaded, but all you have to do is you go to all fonts. You then just grab the font you downloaded, drag it on over, and click. And it now installs it. Now that it's installed, you can exit out of Final Cut and then reopen Final Cut Pro. Go ahead and bring in a title. And now when you go to font, you have basic commercial. And that's how you can install and download fonts for Final Cut Pro. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching.